Guys, we're here at BE Resorts and we're with Miss Rona and she'll talk about...
With the glasses?
Yeah, of course. We'll talk about what's Salsa Nights. What's the Salsa Nights?
Well, it's actually something that we made for the guests, so they have something to look forward to. Summer Salsa Saturdays, so
until, what's it, whole month of May?
Actually, we started in March. That supposedly the initial plan was just for March.
Okay.
But then it picked up. A lot of guests loved it because we have a DI, a dance instructor, who will teach them how to do the salsa, the moves, and everything.
That's why I brought my blogger friends as well to do the salsa tonight.
Yeah, actually some of our guests are now dancing downstairs, so if you want to join them, then let's go.
Let's go, guys. Come on. So guys, we just had an awesome Summer Salsa Saturday here at BE Resort. So please invite them.
Alright, I would like to invite everybody to visit us at BE Resort Mactan every Saturday for our Summer Salsa Saturdays from 8 p.m. to 12 midnight. We have dance instructors who will teach you and guide you with the moves, and we have Julie, tell them about the mojitos. And
we do have a buy one take one promo every Saturdays 8 to 12 midnight. The cost is only 225 for 2 mojitos, and Kalaminions ang mojito namin dire. So visit us here at BE Resort Mactan.
And let's dance the night away!
Yeah!